In front of me is Honor 200, and today I would like to show you how you can access apps permissions. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again. Click on Privacy section and select Permission Manager. Finally, tap on any feature that you wish to manage. Select one of your apps under one of those categories and apply a perfect option for you. Camera access for this app allow only while using the app. Ask every time or don't allow. If you want to, you can always select an app that you wish to manage instead and click on See All Permissions at the bottom of this list. Then manage all of those for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!